Muingi miene itiganite bururi-ini wiyumiritie kuheana thakame muthenya wa kuhunjia bata wa andu kwiyumagiria kuheana thakame mahinda kwa mahinda.
Reke njuge ya mucio ndahene thakame ndari secondary school na nĩngũoya ikinya rĩrĩa ngonaga mwaka ndiraheana thakame.
Mimi ndio mwanamke niliotoa damu mara nyingi hapa nchini, na mwaka jana CS Mutai Kagwe alinipatia appointment na nikurecognize as a highest female blood donor. Kwa mpaka saizi nimetoa mara 71.
Wanaume ni every 3 months. Ladies after every 4 months.
Kuringana na riboti kuma ruhonge ruria rurugamagirira mihango ya uheani wa thakame bururi-ini, kwina unyihu wa thakame thito-ini iria cigagwo riria andu maheana.
Tukiangalia miaka miwili mitatu tu iliyopita tulikuwa na ile capacity ya about 24,000 ya kuweka damu, yani ile storage capacity tulikuwa at 24,000. Ukienda katika lab zetu leo na bank zetu leo tuko katika storage capacity 50,000. Kwa hivyo tumefanya doubling in 2 years.
When you look at the Kenya National Blood Transfusion Services statistics, Kenya requires 1 million, over 1 million of blood pints in a year. But they are collecting approximately 150,000 pints in a year. That is actually 30% of the blood that the store is collecting yearly. So we have a deficit of 70%.
Kuringana na urugamiriri wa ruhonge rwa mihango ya uheani wa thakame bururi-ini, kuri na mitaratara mieru ya gutigirira gutiri andu maretogia na thuguri ya thakame iria yagirirwo gukorwo igiteithia aria me hatikaini.
We now have a digital system. We are calling it a vein to vein system, meaning we can track the blood that is being donated here today all the way to the person who will get it. And once someone receives the blood you've donated, we will actually be sending you messages and telling you, Masi Mwangangi, you've saved a life today.
Kuringana na arugamiriria thito ya thakame county ya Embu, andu ni makoretwo makiyumiria kuheana thakame ona gutwika ti njiganu bururi-ini.
Ile inakuanga shida sana ni rhesus negatives, tuseme O negative blood.
Hindi yo thirikari ya Nyandarua niruguritie ceceni ya kuiga thakame thibitari-ini munene wa JM Kariuki tauni-ini ya Olkalao. Aikari Nyandarua makiurio metikire kwiyumagiria na maheanage thakame ceceni-ini iyo.
Hii ni center mojawapo katika county 16 Kenya ambazo sasa zina ule uwezo wa kuweza kuangalia damu, kuipima.
Zamani tulikuwa na shida kubwa sana wakati tuna watu ya kansa, wamama ambao wanataka kupatiwa watoto, watu ambao wamechomeka, ambao wanahitaji damu.
Kuringana na riboti kuma ruhonge rwa ugima wa mwiri bururi-ini, thiini wa ndagika 10 andu 7 ni makoragwo magibatara thakame, na nikio moritio metikagire kwiyumagiria to muthi uheani wa ndumiriri ciegie bata wa kuheana thakame tu. Amu mundu no athie thibitari iria ihakuhi nake na heane thakame. Ngiribotera Inooro TV kuma Kencom muciĩ munene wa Nairobi, itagwo Jenga Babwe.